import the vendor bill through Vendor Reco Excel. First we need to open the Vendor Reco screen from the operation menu, or we can search by using Go to Screen also. After opening the screen, it will show the carrier name drop-down and bill cycle field. In the carrier name drop-down, it will display the all vendor names. After selecting the vendor name, we can click on Sample Excel button, then it will download the sample Vendor Reco bill Excel, which is suitable for that vendor. If we want, we can keep one sample Excel for all vendors also. Here I am taking one sample Excel, which is downloading for all vendors, and also it consists of two final forwarding number fields. So coming to Excel fields, serial number, invoice number which is given by vendor. It means vendor bill number, invoice date, vendor name, consignment booking date, consignment number, final forwarding number 1 and forwarding number 2. Basically vendor calculation we will do based on first forwarding number only, so we have to enter main forwarding number in the first forwarding number field. Next it will display the location and consignor-consignee details also. If we want, we can enter, it is not mandatory. Mainly we have to enter consignment number and first forwarding number. Next we have add the chargeable and actual weight, how much the vendor was charged. Next we have to enter the vendor charged freight rate. Next if we want, we can add the other charges like fuel, COVID, fumigation, medicine charges, custom clearance charges, how much the vendor was charged. Finally, we have to add the subtotal amount with addition of freight and other charged charges. And for that subtotal, need to add the tax amount and last grand total amount. So after filling all the details, we need to import. Then we can see all imported bills in Vendor Recon list based on bill cycle number. In this list we can see the all different charges and weights. How much freight vendor charged. Charged means vendor bill. How much vendor expected freight. Expected means vendor contract rates. Customer freight means while booking the shipment how much we given to customer. So like this we can see all the amounts. If you want see consignment level difference values, you can click on fifth option in function column. There is a columns like customer difference values based on vendor charged amount. In this one also we can see the profit or loss